how is there one, that first one I put in, is there one that needs to go up front? I can hold that. Okay. I know. This is gonna be some kind of show. I know. I was doing just this little thing. I was like, how? Because I only had like a couple extensions in.
Oh my god. Maybe I like take the bottom two off. Lift it up as much as I can.
And then we
put
it
the
on.
other ones in.
Yeah. Okay, we got it on top.
This is gonna be awesome.
Nice chunk, honey. Man, we got a good little chunk too, like a promising chunk.
I don't know how we do the other side though.
I don't know either. Okay. Okay. Good morning. Well, I'm thankful it is not 0 or below. I'm gonna walk around you. Well, actually, I'll take this first since you got a little bit. I know, I am. Damn it. Yeah, I will need the shovel. It's very light and fluffy.
Yeah.
Woo! Pretty soon the snow's gonna be so high I can just step over the gate. The car's right there. I can still see it. I mean, we drove it yesterday and I got home at what, 5 or something? 6? It was 6. I know, guys, I'm coming. Hold on. 1 second. So our gate we've had to clear out every single day for, oh my gosh, a week and a half, I think. And you can see here, we have to clear it out again before we can get to the chickens. Which Richard's doing that right there. I'm gonna go grab the other shovel. So every chore is a little bit more difficult these days, like going and letting the chickens out, because we have to shovel to even get things like their food, get into the chicken coop. Richard got his morning workout.
I'll trade you.
Now I have to get the chicken feed out of the shipping container. I think with that in mind, I'm gonna pour that over here.
Yeah, don't step on the front.
What's that? Oh, this. Oh.
As we finish up clearing the roofs and pathways for the day, it's time for us to go inside and warm up, have dinner, and get ready for what Mother Nature has in store for us tonight.